Today we're looking at combining probabilities, and the key is spotting two small words, and or. For independent events, P of A and B equals P of A times P of B, but for mutually exclusive events, P of A or B equals P of A plus P of B. Let's try worked example 1. We flip a coin and roll a die, and we want the probability of getting heads and a 6. These two events don't affect each other, so they're independent, which means we multiply. The probability of heads is 1/2, and the probability of a 6 is 1/6, so we calculate 1/2 times 1/6, which equals 1/12. So P of heads and a 6 equals 1/12. Notice how the word and told us straight away to multiply the two probabilities together. Now worked example 2, we roll a die once, and we want the probability of getting a 2 or a 5. You can't roll a 2 and a 5 at the same time on one die, so these outcomes are mutually exclusive, which means we add. The probability of a 2 is 1/6, and the probability of a 5 is 1/6. So we calculate 1/6 plus 1/6, which equals 2/6. Simplifying 2/6 gives us 1/3, so P of a 2 or a 5 equals 1/3. Here's the trick that makes this whole topic simple. The English word in the question tells you exactly which operation to use. And means multiply, or when the outcomes can't both happen, means add. You don't need to guess. The wording gives it away directly. Now here's a common trip up. Learners very often add the probabilities in an A and D situation instead of multiplying, especially when both fractions look small and seem like they should be combined by adding. Remember, and is multiply, not add. Mixing this up is a sign error in disguise, so always double check which word is in the question. So here's a teaching tip to help you avoid that mistake. Before you calculate anything, underline the word and or in the question, and write the matching operation symbol, a times sign or a plus sign, directly above it. Then the calculation almost writes itself, and you won't accidentally swap multiply and add again.